The blue-footed booby is one of the most striking and charismatic seabirds of the Pacific coasts, instantly recognizable by its vivid blue feet and dramatic lifestyle. Here's a deep dive into why this bird stands out. The blue-footed booby is a marine bird native to the eastern Pacific Ocean, from Baja California in Mexico down to Peru, with the majority of breeding sites around the Galápagos Islands. They belong to the booby family, genus Sula, one of 6 booby species. Adults measure about 81 to 90 centimeters in length, with a wingspan around 1.5 meters, almost equals 5 feet. The blue-footed booby's iconic feet aren't just flashy. They're a living signal of health and vitality. The bright color comes from carotenoid pigments gleaned from their fish-rich diet: anchovies, sardines, mackerel, flying fish, squid. The more vibrant the blue, the healthier the bird. In fact, foot coloration fades quickly when food is scarce, making brightness an honest indicator of recent feeding success. During courtship, males flaunt their feet in an elaborate strut and high-stepping dance to attract females. Those with bluer feet tend to win the best mates. These boobies are highly adapted for an ocean diving, fish-catching lifestyle. They plunge dive from heights of up to 30 meters, almost equals 100 feet, or sometimes even from the water surface, folding their wings for a streamlined dive. Their body is built for speed and precision. Pointed wings, strong speared beak, and eyes positioned for excellent depth perception. When they hit the water, their nostrils close permanently, and they rely on special air sacs in the skull to protect their brain from impact and pressure. Their prey includes small schooling fish, sardines, anchovies, mackerel, flying fish, and sometimes squid. They often hunt in pairs or groups. When one spots a school of fish, others follow and dive in unison. The blue-footed booby isn't graceful on land. In fact, its awkward gait apparently inspired its common name. Booby comes from Spanish bobo, meaning foolish. But on land, their social and reproductive behaviors are full of character. Males perform courtship dances, high-stepping, showing off their blue feet, sky-pointing with beaks and wings, all to impress a mate. Once paired, they build a simple nest on the ground, just a shallow scrape on bare rock or dirt. Both parents take turns incubating eggs using their warm webbed feet, because boobies don't have brooding patches. When chicks hatch, usually 1 to 3 per clutch, both mom and dad feed them via regurgitation. In the early weeks, males often bring food, while females brood and protect the chicks.